The first thing is to input the URL to have the web link, and then input the username and password. Okay, here we log on to the cloud. Here we will have a shortcut to see what is displayed on the edge screen, and if you compare the window and the camera window, you will find they are showing actually the same thing. Okay, let's go to the detail and see what we could get. Here we could rename the terminal so that you will not mix up with any other terminal. And we could also say the firmware version and the mode of the C player here. This is C4 with the latest firmware. And you could see which playlist it is now playing. Then set the time for the terminal and say how long it has been working. Another special function on this is auto adjust brightness. Now please focus on the LED screen and I will show you the difference. It is now with kind of the low brightness, and now I just open my cell phone and enable the flashlight and give to the light sensor. Focus on the LED screen, please. You will see that the LED screen becoming brighter because now I gave the flashlight into it. And when I remove the cell phone, you will see that it's becoming darker again. And here we could change the minimum brightness or the maximum brightness just to fit in with the real situation. Every time you make the operation, there will be a hint to tell you that it has been successfully done. Okay, let's go back. The first one, terminal. Each C player is a terminal. And you can build the terminal groups to manage all the terminals. If you got 100 customers, then you could build 100 terminal groups. Here I will show you. Click here and then add terminal group. Give the name training. Now is for the US and Canada. And then confirm. You will see it here. So for every customer, you can build a separate individual terminal groups for him. Okay, let's now see how to publish a playlist into the C player. First, go to the media. Here you could see we have created different folders for different content. For example, the first one is the HD pictures, the second one is the video, and if we like, we could add one more. This is training 2020, and then create it. You will see it here. So now we go and upload the picture. We can choose to upload the picture or video directly, or we could choose to upload the folder directly. Here I will choose to upload the pictures. Choose one picture and just open. Okay, it is now finished. Every operation you done with the Colorlight Cloud, you will get a hint to tell you that it has been successfully done. And now we got the pictures that we just uploaded. And if we want, we could share it to the second class account. So you don't need to upload the same pictures over and over again. And again, I have to tell you that the storage for the Colorlight Cloud is unlimited. Now we got the pictures that we want to use, and then we will go and create a playlist. Here we could change the playlist name, change the window size, and then go and add a files window. Then add the material that we just uploaded. Add this one and convert. If we want, we could add one more window as we need. Here we add the single line text and change the content. Colorlight Cloud solution. And then just to drag to change the size. And add effect to let it go left. And we could have a preview here. So what you see here will be displayed into the LED screens. Just go back. And we could choose to publish directly or save it, or only to save the playlist, or save it as a template so as to use the next time, no need to remake a new one. Here we will just save it. And then go to the playlist. It depends on the speed of internet access, so it may take a few seconds. Okay, here we got it. We could choose, and then if we like, we could rearrange the playlist. For example, you got the previous playlist, and today you want to add some pictures or videos into it, then you could re-edit it again. Here, just to publish it. If we need, we could publish to all the terminals group at the same time, and you will see the hint here. Inside one terminal group, we could choose to publish to all the terminals or only to one terminal, and then just confirm. Okay, you will see from the cloud. Let's go back to the detail of the C player box. You will have the preview to tell you that the contents have been changed. And if you see it from the camera window, you will see it. This is how to publish content into the C player. And another special function is about the schedule.